Classical cryptography, in times of war. Enigma. Strengths. First, we want to have a look at what made the encryption by the Enigma so strong. The greatest strength of the Enigma was the stepping of the rotors. After each press of the key, at least one rotor turned 1/26th of a full rotation. Consequently, the substitution alphabet changed after each letter, and it resulted in a polyalphabetic substitution cipher. Therefore, any attempt at breaking the code by using frequency analysis or a search for common patterns failed. The messages encrypted by the Enigma were sent via radio. Since the length of radio message was limited to 250 letters, looking for repetitions failed due to the shortness of the messages. The Germans moreover set up several rules for the usage of the Enigma. The use of a reflector, rules concerning the plug board, as well as a scheduled change of the rotor positions were supposed to further strengthen the security of the Enigma. However, this decision was a mistake and instead gave the Allied forces some points of attack for decryption. Hence, these points are actually weaknesses, which we will further discuss in the next video. If you want to learn more about the cryptography and other interesting topics, go to embeddedacademy.com.